In this video, we are going to explore the topic of creating a symmetrical copy of an object in the Retopo or modeling workspace using radial symmetry. I have the object already selected in the polygon tree panel. Then you can pull up the symmetry panel by hitting the S key. I went to the symmetry menu, and when I click on it, it will automatically stay in the viewport instead of disappear like it would if you used a hotkey. Anyway, I will leave that here, and I'm going to enable symmetry. And then instead of the X, Y, and Z mirror, which is the most common mode that you will find, and it's a default one, I chose radial symmetry. And then, of course, I counted how many instances I needed, and I entered that here. Then I chose the axis, and you can easily see that with the navigation gizmo here. I'm looking down the X axis. If you look at my cursor, you can see it has a corresponding number of dots indicating that these are where the instances will be applied. In this particular situation, I decided to use another mesh that has a vertex in the center of it as my rotational center for the symmetry. Because without that, it might not be so easy to create a center point for this. To do that, I click on Pick One in the Symmetry panel, and then I selected the center vertex. I need to hide that object, and I only want to have this one visible. I can now click Symmetry in this section of the tool panel or at the bottom of the polygon tree panel. So it created symmetrical copies, and all the copies were placed on the same layer. Now, if I want, I can use the Select mode here and go into object mode and click on those, create separate layers, and go to this icon here, move to the currently selected layer. So for example, if I wanted to create another layer for that, another layer for this, and so on individually, again, I could just create many duplicates. With the object chosen, I can move it to the new layer, right? So if I have layer 2, then I would select this one and then choose move to layer 2. And so on. And with that, we will conclude this video about applying symmetrical copy to objects inside the modeling and Retopo workspaces. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.